Si Chef Kim ulit. There you go. Iba naman yung gagawin namin today, which is, we'll walk you through it later. Okay now. Thank you. Dalawa to, no? BTS, BTS, BTS. Wala ka pang tulog, no? 2 araw na. Ayan.
3 days.
3 days na. Kulang pa pala. Ganun talaga, no? Para gumawa ng isang bagay, kailangan matinding paghanda, ano?
With love.
Oh, wow. Legit. Oh, may banyo pa. Feeling ko si Martin Rivera ako. Oh, lumalabas yung edad. Tumatawa si Kim. Sinadya ko yung Martin Rivera example, ah. Pwede ko namang sabihin, Heb Avi.
Just yet, because we are only halfway through the program.
Okay, in a few minutes, we are gonna start our talk. Halos wala akong may nakain kasi I am slightly nervous. I know I can do it. It's just that, wala, I just wanna do my job really well. Tayo na next. Hello. Kinakaba na hindi. Excited ka ba? Lahat-lahat.
So we're moving on to our next speaker. He is a highly acclaimed Filipino chef known for his innovative approach to Filipino cuisine. His work has earned him multiple awards and recognition, solidifying his place as a trailblazer in the Philippine food industry. I agree 100%. This guy is inventive. This guy knows what it's like to build himself up, to struggle, and to succeed. He has been driven by his passion towards promoting traditional dishes. Let's all welcome the founder and executive chef of Salsa Kitchen and Kuya Filipino Eatery, the one and only Chef JP Anglo. Carrying your little camp throw. The way I know you, bro, look at it.
This time, siya naman pauwi natin.
That's the guy is all about feeding you, putting a smile on your face, and just being a champion of good old-fashioned Filipino cuisine. Eto si chef rather, JP. I mean, look at this. You got the whole setup, my friend.
May kape ba dyan? Ito, request ng dalawang kape.
Let's light the bonfire and start this conversation. I love what you're doing here, my friend. I love it.
Thank you. First of all, I want to introduce my chef, Chef Kim.
Oh, chef.
Paolo, Kim. Ayala Premier.
Ayala Premier. Chef JP. Brother, you know, this is sort of a great opportunity to tell your story, share your story, and just let everybody sort of pick up from, you know, where it all began for you. Did you ever think this would ever happen?
Not at all, right? Not at all.
Let's go back to the very beginning, which is always, like I said,
okay.
I say that it's a great place to start.
We all start from somewhere. I'm from the province, small town boy.
failed in a lot of things. 90% of my life is a failure, and 10% is this. But it's worth it. Anyway, and it's the only thing I'm good at. And it's like I was telling Kim earlier backstage na ingatan natin yung relationships. It's something that's sometimes being neglected kasi very transactional tayo. Pera-pera lang. Ano makuha natin dito? It's always like what we can get, but not we can. It's, di ba there's a saying, the hand that gives is better than the hand that receives. So parang that was our topic earlier na ingatan natin yung tribe natin, ingatan natin yung relationships natin. And parang it didn't, sorry, I know you waifued it. I'm still there. I guess just quickly rewind a bit. It wasn't always like this, It was a lot of struggles and a lot of hardships, a lot of obstacles. But again, it's all about perspective, right?
When you said you grew up provinciano in the province, what are you talking? Where do you hail from?
Ilonggo. Ilonggo eh.
Yun!
The Anlisara Sarada. Anything is possible. Imagine I'm having a cup of coffee with Paula Brera here and I'm speaking to Ayala. Who would have ever thought? My dad would always say this, do your work well and money will chase after you.
Right.
Because before, at one point in my life, when I was in Australia, and I say this emotionally because that was the most difficult part of my life. Like I had zero love life, I got fired so many times. Basically it was like not a mess or a disaster, but it was just a challenging part of my life. Then I would always count my hours, and I would always tell my dad, I worked for 10 hours today and I earned, say, $200. Then doon ako sinabihan na, if it's just all about money, you're not going to, in a way, parang what he was trying to say, you're going to be miserable.
Right.
If money is the only thing that drives you, then what's your why? What's the purpose?
Right. Well, let's get that. What was it? What is the why for you then, and is it still the same why for you now?
Yeah, it gets clearer and clearer as our heads get longer. Pero I don't talaga. I actually quickly read your Rolling Stone article.
Sweet.
Yeah, super rock star. Galing. I want to be like him.
Like I said, I'm sure have you fooled.
No, okay. Sorry. The why is really to bring, I'm a chef. We're chefs.
Yeah.
Food is a universal language. It's the currency of the world. It's like what I've noticed during the pandemic. Two things: food and relationships. Food brings everyone together. Food breaks barriers. Food unites people.
Sure.
Filipino food in Dubai. That's why I'm there, because I got asked by Miss Mia. Miss Mia, where are you? Are you there? No?
She's out there.
Okay. Why Dubai? It's because nakakalungkot dun kasi kami lang. Pero the bigger picture is to break barriers, to reintroduce our culture, to reintroduce Filipino food. Na hindi lang tayo puro instant noodles or pancit. We're beyond adobo, pancit, and lumpia.
Right. You mentioned that it wasn't always like this. You never imagined you'd be sitting here in a room with a camp set up, talking to people and telling them about the journey that you've been on. What have been some of the big hurdles for you? Ano ba ang naging diskarte mo that you say you faced great challenges but somehow come out on top?
It's how you look at life. I always look at life, I always look at the glass half full. Reminder that, every day is not the same. You don't know if it's going to rain or not. You don't know how bad the traffic is going to be. You don't know if your boss is going to be in a good mood or bad mood.
Markets might be up, markets might be down.
Yeah.
Property is an exciting venture. Suddenly nobody wants to buy.
Yep. But hey, when it's slow or when you have a little slump, then that's the time you do house cleaning. That's the time you sharpen your knives. That's the time you hone your craft.
Right.
Diba? So I mean, if you hit a little slump, then doesn't mean that you're not doing the right thing. It's just, you know, a little road bump, and that's how I see life. When I opened Kuya in Dubai, I didn't tell anyone because only my family.
Which is pretty huge, by the way. A Filipino restaurant in, on the global stage is the term that we use, and succeeding.
Alam ko na yung gusto kong gawin. I know how to get there, kinda, still figuring it out, and I know what I wanted. And I guess ang pinaka-importante is I know who I am. I know who we are. I know what Filipino food can be. I know what Filipino food is and what it can be. Own it. If you believe in something, kahit gaano pa kahirap, gawin mo. Ito nga, sobrang hirap nito kaya ang yung ginagawa ko ngayon. I mean, itong sana.
Kaya naman pala world famous itong guest natin today. Tell us about this thing we're eating. It's delicious, my friend.
Chef here.
Yeah. Okay. Oh my God. Hello guys. Oh my God.
Actually, market na rin natin. It will come out in our restaurant next week.
Nag-vlog pa.
Nag-vlog pa. So it's a Chinese New Year special. Chef JP did it before in an event, and why not release it in the restaurant? So it's sticky rice or glutinous rice cooked in adobo sauce. Tapos may filling siya na shiitake mushrooms, longanisa, beef tendon, and pork belly.
Who's lucky enough to be trying some of this? Ang sarap, di ba?
Okay, come on. You can do it. Come on. Ready? Set. Set. Back to Dubai. That was really quick. Ito na lang, baliktad. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Be a good girl, okay? Let us happiest and saddest place.
Kasama pa.
Kasama siya. Ito ibalot rin natin, kuya. Pwede rin ito ibalot, no?
Sir, bye-bye na.
Bye, ma'am. Bye-bye. Bye, Chulera! Aww. Cap from Aken, not sure. Snow Peak, Uniqlo, Mizuno again, same bag. Brother Miller insulated bag, and let's go to our gate. Back to Dubai after 5 days here in Manila. Pretty intense. I'm very, very tired. I have a little sore throat na sana I can get rid of later. Water lang, and sana I can sleep on the plane. But though I'm very, very relieved from the outcome of my speech with Ayala Land Premier. I'm happy that they are happy. I'm happy that I was able to share my story. Kanina nang nasa banyo ako, dami kong gustong sabihin. Kaso lang, nahiya ako kasi yung iba dito tulog. Sa lounge, very mindful ako, or sa mga public spaces, very mindful ako na yung boses ko mababa. Yung iba kasi parang kala nila extension ng living room nila, or dahil nagbayad sila ng premium, they can do whatever they want. Maybe not. I think we should still be appropriate. But look who's talking. Sometimes I do slip. But anyways, I'm so tired, and tomorrow is a big day for Kuya. We have a big event. Okay, wish us luck. Wish me luck. So ilang years ka na sa London?
22 years na.
22 years?
Oo.
Parinig na ng English accent mo. So, ano pangalan niyo, sir?
Elmer.
Elmer. Si Elmer ay mag-Philippine Airlines.
Ano ko siya, oh?
Ayan. Ayan. Pinsan to ni Black Daddy. Pero hindi ko alam ano nangyari kay Black Daddy. Anyway, sige, enjoy the flight, sir. Enjoy natin. Ilang hours yung ano to, yung
Actually, yung business ko ang nag-book sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung anong oras ako.
Okay. Enjoy the flight. Hello. Kamusta, guys? Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff. Special meal,
Special meal.
Enjoy. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you very much.
Thank you po.
Salamat. We're back in Dubai. Okay, can't wait to see my wife and my car and my son. Ano ba? Intact. Let's go home. See you around. Ayo. Halong. Thank you. Ari na siya. Ang gwapo ito na amigo. Basta. Uy. Hello. Uy! Tahom! Hop! Ayan. So yung pinagawa ko kay Ricky yun, yung mudguard lang, and then yung PIA lights, and then konting paint lang sa baba na medyo minimalist na hindi mo malalaman kung ano masyado. I guess yun nga the little things that count is not so loud. Yung simple lang. Actually, hindi mo alam eh. Actually, so ito, originally white to. Ginawa namin black. Yun nga eh. Very mga subtle changes lang. And then of course, yung mudguard nga. Hi. How are you? Where's my son?
Sleeping, of course.